We are here with the Vivobarefoot product team at the Eden project with some super inspiring guests to help us think through what sustainability might mean to Vivobarefoot in the future.
I'm Emma Hamilton-Foster. I'm Vivobarefoot's new head of sustainability. Vivobarefoot's already doing some awesome stuff on sustainability, but I'm here to work with them for the next few years to really make the world a better place.
In the next few decades, we've really got to move on from conventional sustainability into the realms of regenerative design, so that everything we do starts to have not just a mitigated negative impact, but a positive impact, so that we're starting to repair ecosystems, take carbon out of the atmosphere, reconnect communities. Biomimicry is just going to be one of the best sources of solutions to allow us to do that.
What we're trying to do is take those biomimicry learnings and factor in the chemistry learnings into helping Vivo make the world's best and most sustainable shoe.